The cloud can be found under SASSE Library Assets Objects. You can drag and drop it into your scene. And it has a number of settings that you can adjust via the Modifiers tab and the Geometry Nodes panel. Seed will give us a slightly different cloud using a different seed for the various random distributions. Scale offset min is the smallest that we want our smallest piece to be. So you can see there we've got a tiny little piece, tiny little pieces. If we crank that up, then those will be larger and that'll congeal into a bigger volume. So we can do a similar thing with density. Let's just drop that way down. 55. Displacement scale. So the width of the displacement, and strength is how far out it pushes. So something like this, we probably want a very, very low displacement, and same with the strength. We likely don't really want to be pushing this too much, but it's another option for shaping your clouds. And again, subdivision level will allow you to smooth things out. You can change the color of the top, color of the bottom, and where that gradient transition happens.